Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meta AI Facebook Messenger Instagram not showing up, how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If Meta AI is not showing up in Facebook Messenger or Instagram, what you can do is first head over and open up your app store, and on the search bar type in either Facebook, Messenger or Instagram, and then once the app loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over and open up your settings. Then once you're inside your settings, scroll down and tap on General. Inside General, tap on iPhone Storage, and once you're inside iPhone Storage, simply select the app and then tap on it. And then once you're inside here, you'll be getting the offload option. Simply tap on that, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.